Good 5-channel amp. But really what it comes down to is what you're trying to do is whether or not you need a 5-channel amp. If you're gonna go with a 5-channel amp, you have to decide how much power you're gonna be putting on your subwoofer, because that's the determining factor. Most 5-channel amps are sub 500 watts. A couple of them are over, but most are sub 500 watts. If that is cool, like you're just gonna do 4 awesome mids and highs, and then 3 to 500 watts in the sub, which is usually good for 210s. Most 500 watts that are $600 or $700 or above are gonna do that. If you're wanting 1,000 watts for the sub on the 5th channel because you're gonna really pound, then it's better off to go with a 4-channel and a mono block. Two of my favorite combinations there, of course, are the T404, T750.1, the audio control 4.800 and 1.800. Another amplifier to consider as far as the 5-channel goes, it was super impressive, was the Focal. Focal makes a 6-channel amp, and what's cool about it is channels 5 and 6. Unlike most 4-channel or 5-channel paired stereo amplifiers, when you bridge them, 4 ohm is as low as they go. Their amplifier, when you bridge 5 and 6, will do a 2 ohm load. So they did some tomfoolery inside there to fool the amplifier and make it run better, but that'll get you that 500 watts. If you're just looking for a straight 5-channel amp, the 61200 is nice, bridged as a 5-channel amp. Or check out audio control.